YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man back with another video unboxing here today. First, a word from my sponsor before I get into any of this today. Jesus. Matthew chapter 27 verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross and he looked up to God and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. When I read that, I read it as God will never leave me or forsake me, and that's because I trust that all the forsaking that God had was taken out on Jesus that day. So thank you, Jesus, for taking that so that I don't have to. All right. We had a little surge in subs in the last few days. I mean, it wasn't huge, but a little surge. And we're like 250 away from 2,000, so we're almost there. Most valuable sub, my MVS will win my 2,000 sub giveaway. I will choose somebody who is my most valuable sub. Obviously, my most valuable subs have got to be liking the videos, got to be watching the videos, commenting on the videos. Obviously, they've got to be subbed. But how do I know you're actually watching the videos and you're involved with this content? It's by the content of your comments. So there's a couple of y'all that are really standing out that comment almost immediately and comment some really detailed stuff. The dude that I've talked about, I don't know how many times already. One of his comments, Haley, he said, hey, it's 7:50. You said, pause the video. Just to make a point. You remember what my point was in that video, Haley? It was 7 minutes and 50 seconds of that video.
Of what video?
It was the Electro Purple Dunks. No, it wasn't. It wasn't the Electro Purple Dunks, but I brought the Electro Purples out.
It's because you couldn't get the insole out.
No.
I have no idea then.
We did have to pause the video, that video for that too.
Oh, well,
this was because you said the Electro Purples and the Court Purples were the same color purple. And when I rewatched that, in the video, you can see very clearly that they're different colors. So
I
proved my point. you can go back and watch the video too. Anyways, that's a good segue into this shoe. He's killing it right now with the MVS. I mean, we've still got probably 30, maybe a little bit more days until we hit 2,000. So that means it's anyone's game. Y'all can still jump on the ball, go back and watch old videos, comment on all of those, smash the like button on all those, and then you all need to make sure you enter into the 2,000 sub giveaway. If you're not into all that, that's fine. If you're here though, then I will choose randomly a second place winner that will get to choose from some of the shoes that I have. All right. The reason why that purple talk is important for this video is because this is another purple shoe. I have actually seen this shoe in person. What?
No, my arm slipped.
Okay. I have actually seen this shoe in person. It was at the Nike store at Ponce in Atlanta one day when I was there, and they didn't have the right size. So I did get to hold it in hand that day. It was pretty cool. I've never had this particular silhouette before. Finally, it opened.
That was beautiful.
I know. I've never had this particular silhouette before, and neither have Haley or Hester.
Oh, look at this box.
I really hope that's the right silhouette.
I know this box.
Do you? What's in this?
A Jordan 1.
Jordan, what kind of Jordan 1?
The one with the top is cut and it's open stuff.
I don't know that they're all like that, but probably most of them are. At least.
And they're both individually wrapped because they have Zoom Comfort. I knew it. I was going to tell you.
So this is the women's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. Court purple, black, violet quartz. That's French. Court purple and black. I don't think Hesper's going to like these. I think I at least showed Haley a picture. I think she said she liked them. I think Haley would like them. And I'm actually interested in wearing a pair of these because I've never worn a pair of Zoom Comforts. And Jordan 1s are okay, but I feel like maybe the Zoom Comforts, if they got full-length Zoom, would be pretty comfortable, right?
Right. I told you they were individual.
Right.
I knew. It's because we have Zoom Comforts. I
feel like I am. I just got home with my, not Jimmy John's, not Five Guys.
Nancy's.
Not Nancy's. The sandwiches.
Oh, Subway.
No, the good sandwiches. Jersey Mike's.
Jersey Mike's.
Giant Five. Mike's Way Extra Mayonnaise. All right. Are you ready, Haley?
I'm so ready. Ooh.
What do we say?
Oh.
You bet.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
Wait,
let's retry it.
All right.
1, 2, 3. You bet.
That's the new saying when we like the shoe. I do like the shoe. When we like, oh, this could be another one that we met. If we don't really like this.
No, leave it.
Okay.
That's cool.
We'll talk more about that later. you may have already seen it on another video. Heck, by the time you see this video, like this is going to be like my 14th video now that I'll have in the vault, just ready to be published when I'm ready. So you may have seen the main event video as far as matting patent leather. By then, I'm not really sure, but yeah, do that.
One with the white lace and one with the black lace.
Yeah.
Lately I have really been into opposite lacing. Yes.
All right, so I do think that all of this patent leather is weird. Oh, look at this. So we get cut out. The Zoom Comfort has cut out swooshes instead of sewn on swooshes. And oh, okay. This satin comes from here. It's here. These lace wings are. Wow, this is crazy. The lace wings are stitched down here at the bottom, but not up top. Are all of them like this? I think they might be.
I haven't paid
similar
that close attention to it.
And you can see that this is the satin coming through, the satinish material coming through the cutout swoosh.
I really like these.
I think this
is it's weird color blocking. I feel like, but I actually like it.
It's weird,
like a lot.
Because there's different colors of purple. Because you've got 3 different materials of purple showing. You've got a really nice tumbled leather. Look at the cut on that side. Right there, you see it?
Mm-hmm. I think if those would have been the exact same color purple, I wouldn't like it.
This and this?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe not. But you get the patent leather here and here on these overlays, and a really nice tumbled purple. Yeah, that's a really nice tumbled purple. A really nice tumbled purple. Look at that on the toe.
That's not purple. It's white.
Oh, tumbled white leather here. It's just like really pretty and really soft. This is like University Blue 1 leather. And
I like the outsole too.
Then you get
or the bottom of it.
Yeah, black satin here, black tumbled leather here. This is soft, which is unusual for a Jordan 1. Normally this is much more rigid. Like the structure in there is more rigid than this. Maybe that has something to do with the comfort. I don't really like this that much, but you get leather on the outside of the tongue.
Ooh, I actually like that a lot.
It's okay. I prefer you just keep it the nylon of the normal one. And then there's this purple, a different purple material that's visible here. The first pair of Zoom Comforts that I saw in person was some yellow and orange, and it was all deconstructed up here, and it was just hideous. This isn't hideous.
No, I actually really like these. These are so much better than the ones we have at Locker.
Yeah.
So
that are
much
like
better.
Brownish.
They're like no,
beige.
they're like tan, which is okay until you get to the top of it and it's like red and green. They're like muted red and green. They're like all poopy colors.
So I've never had a Zoom Comfort here. I've never really gotten a detailed look at a Zoom Comfort myself. They're called Zoom Comforts, and they should be called that for a reason. You ever taken one of these out?
No. I'm pretty sure that would be destruction of public property. Maybe not public property, but not my property.
So this is a little bit different. See the colors there?
I do.
I think it's actually different, and I'm not sure. Okay. This shows us that there's just a zoom unit in the heel. So rather than having like full-length zoom, it just looks like it's saying that there is a zoom unit in the heel, which is kind of like an SB Dunk, and it's just not that great as far as zoom goes. Can't really see anything but a cotton footbed down there. So these are pretty cool. You like these?
I really do like these.
You like these better than the Electro Purple Dunk Highs?
No.
You like the Dunk Highs better?
Yes, by far.
Alright. That's interesting. I'd rather take the. Actually, I can take either of them back, I guess, if I need to. Which I probably will end up taking at least one back. But I'll get that back in there later. Anyways, lace swap, probably go good with this. One on each shoe. You're right. I like that.
Yeah.
White in one, and keep the black in the other. With the Zoom Air on the tongue tag there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool. What color is this? Sail. You get a sail midsole. It's definitely not white because that's white.
Yeah.
But white and sail, neither of them are actually on the colorway because it's just purple and black, court purple and black.
That is so weird how they put colors in the colorway of shoes.
Or they don't put it.
Or no, well, that's what I'm saying. Like how they put them on there, just is weird to me.
All right. Well, I hope you like this shoe. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like Zoom Comforts in general, or if Zoom Comforts are just a pass all the time, no matter what, just because it's a Zoom Comfort and not a Jordan 1, not a OG Jordan 1 High. I like this colorway. I like the different materials, and I like the colors.
I agree.
I would wear this.
You gotta move the laces. Move the laces. There we go.
Materials on this all around are better than this. This isn't bad, but for a Jordan 1, it's not that good. A Jordan 1 High OG, it's not that good. These materials are much better. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Very cool. Bow. Now go back the other way.
You bet.
No, wait, go back. Bow. Bow.
You bet.
No, it's not funny when you add the you bet.
This is thumbnail right here. I don't know. There we go, thumbnail. All right.
You can't see it. Go back to the thumbnail.
Look at the picture, man. Thanks for being here. What else?
Tell your grandma.
Tell your grandma, because she might, even though they're high, the Zoom Comforts might do it for her, right?
They really might, because they're comfortable for her to walk in.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to see.
Well,
we will get, if we keep this shoe, Haley will come back in front of the camera and tell you all how they feel.
Yeah, I will.
Like standing up all day, and especially if she ends up.
Yeah, I'll go to work on a Saturday and I'll wear them.
For 8 hours straight.
Nope, probably 10.
Maybe 10. All right. Like I said, make sure you're smashing that like button, telling your friends, get us to 2,000 subs. We're almost there. Tell your grandma, comment down below. Most valuable sub is going to win the grand prize. It's going to be pretty much any shoe up to a certain dollar amount, but the majority of shoes will be included in that. I'm not talking Jordan 1 High, Travis Fragment. That's not going to happen. Or Fragment Low. But, you know, all these GRs, all these releases that you've seen on these videos are probably going to would probably be included for
I have a question.
The grand prize winner. Yes.
A question for everybody. I mean, for you, probably what people are thinking.
Okay.
In the giveaway, are you allowed to, like, let's just say someone wins. Is that person allowed to say, I want X shoe, and that shoe hasn't come out yet?
It depends on how long it is.
If it was like the dark mochas or something. That, let's just say the giveaway was today.
Dark mocha 3s?
The 3s, yeah, and they're like,
Depends
I want
on
those.
How much they are. I don't know how much they are right now.
Well, I was just asking.
Potentially.
Okay, I was just asking. Because I was just thinking about it.
Early. Yeah.
Or no, even if they're not
getting them. It could be getting them early or getting them on release day or closer to release day. It could be either way, depending on how much they are.
Okay, I was just wondering.
Because they're not over the limit.
Even though I'm not in the giveaway, I was still thinking about it.
Yeah, that's
I bet
good
other
question.
people were
Good
thinking
question.
about it.
I'm actually going to post a video that's more so just about the giveaway because we've had a little surge in subs lately. So I want to make sure. Huh?
What does surge mean? Like uprise
Yes.
or downfall? Okay.
Surge. It's upwards.
I've never heard the word surge before.
What? You've never drank Surge soda?
No, I've never even heard of surge soda.
All right. Thanks for being here. Appreciate the support. See you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.